Have you ever tried to do something sneaky, secretly, on the sly, only to get caught immediately? Today we're looking at a classic Family Guy moment where Peter Griffin tries to leave the bar while checking out an attractive woman by the door. The joke? He's not nearly as subtle as he thinks he is. Let's break it down. Peter says,
"All right, I'm going to exit while discreetly checking out the hot chick by the door."
I'm going to exit while discreetly checking out the hot chick. I'm going to leave and sneak a look at the hot chick. I'm going to head out while sneaking a peek at the hot chick by the door. While plus gerund means two things are happening at the same time: exiting and checking her out. It's a really useful structure. I studied while listening to music. She cooked while talking on the phone. The while connects the two actions and tells you they overlap. Sneak a look and sneak a peek are casual idioms that mean looking at something quickly and secretly, or at least trying to. So let's go back and read that again with synonyms for exit. I'm gonna exit, leave, head out, slip out, bail, bounce. Get out of here, while discreetly checking out the hot chick by the door. Exit is neutral and slightly formal. It's the word you'd see on a sign. Leave is the most everyday version. Head out is casual and friendly, like saying goodbye to friends at a bar. Slip out is the most interesting here. It suggests leaving quietly and unnoticed, which is exactly what Peter thinks he's doing. Let's also talk about antonyms for exit. I'm going to enter, come in, walk in, while discreetly checking out the hot chick by the door. Let's move on to discreetly. I'm going to exit while discreetly, subtly, quietly, inconspicuously checking out the hot chick by the door. Discreetly means doing something in a way that doesn't attract attention or cause embarrassment. Subtly is similar, but focuses more on being so understated that people barely notice. Inconspicuously is the most advanced. It means blending in so well that nothing stands out. The irony of this scene is that Peter does the exact opposite of all three. Now let's go back and talk about antonyms for discreetly. I'm going to exit while overtly, blatantly, shamelessly checking out the hot chick by the door. Overtly means doing something openly with no attempt to hide it. Blatantly is stronger. It means so obvious that it's almost offensive. Shamelessly is the best word for Peter specifically here. It means doing something embarrassing without any embarrassment at all. He's not just obvious, he doesn't even care that he's obvious. Let's move on to checking out. I'm going to exit while discreetly checking out, ogling, eyeing, looking over the hot chick by the door. Checking out is casual and very common. It just means looking at someone with attraction. Eyeing suggests a focused, lingering look, like your eyes are locked on. Looking over means scanning someone from head to toe, taking in the full picture. Ogling is the most advanced and the most loaded word here. It means staring at someone in a way that's obvious, intense, and usually inappropriate. If someone is ogling you, they're not being subtle at all, which makes it the perfect word for what Peter actually ends up doing in this scene. Let's also give antonyms for checking out. I'm going to exit while ignoring, avoiding eye contact with, looking away from the hot chick by the door. Next, let's rephrase part of it to give you a different way to look at the sentence. I'm going to exit while discreetly checking out the hot chick by the door. The chick by the door who's really hot. The attractive woman standing by the door. In English, short adjectives like hot usually go before the noun. the hot chick. But longer descriptions often come after, the woman who's really attractive. Both are correct, but the position changes the rhythm of the sentence. Putting the description after the noun also adds a slight pause, like you're revealing the detail as an afterthought. Let's move on and talk about synonyms for hot. I'm going to exit while discreetly checking out the hot, attractive, gorgeous, stunning chick by the door. These words all describe physical attractiveness, but with different levels. Attractive is the most neutral and can be used in any context, even formally. Gorgeous is stronger and more enthusiastic. It suggests beauty that really stands out. Stunning is the most powerful. It means so attractive it almost stops you in your tracks, like you've been stunned by it. And what are antonyms for hot here? I'm going to exit while checking out the unattractive, plain, ordinary chick by the door. That's our lesson. Peter wanted to exit discreetly while checking out the hot chick by the door, and instead he ogled her shamelessly in front of everyone. The gap between what he said and what he did is exactly why this scene is so funny, and why discreetly and ogling are words you'll never forget after watching it. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you in the next lesson.